almost normal now.
Oh, come on. You will live for 1,000 years. That is no doubt about it. I rest my case. Who's the moderator? Here?
Alright, since wala kayong tanong, pero ma'am, may oras po kayo. May 1 minuto po kayo. Would you like to use it?
To
What
answer the
for?
question.
You have a minute to speak if you wish to use it, ma'am.
I have been the subject of much black propaganda concerning my health. I have never been false to the Filipino people. The moment I was diagnosed, I immediately called for a press conference and announced the status of my health. But after consulting with my sister, who is a doctor in the United States, I learned that there is now a cancer revolution. There is a new cancer anti-drug almost every week. The only drawback is that they are too expensive. So that's why I have already